O Messenger of Allah, hear my heart. From your love I never want to part. I am not worthy of your praise, yet I keep loving you all my days. I have made mistakes, I have gone astray, I have lost my path along the way. But when I remember your beautiful name, my broken heart is not the same. Your sunnah calls me back to light. It teaches my heart what is wrong and right. So let me follow your blessed way and become better every day. Muhammad Muhammad your name is precious to me. Muhammad Muhammad your love is my heart's melody. I love you, oh Messenger Rasul. I love the path you show. I send my salam with every breath, wherever I may go. Peace be upon you, Nabi. Peace be upon you, O Rasulullah. Peace be upon you, O beloved one forward. Your blessed way is beautiful. You were a mercy for mankind, a beautiful heart so pure and kind. You cared for every broken soul. You taught us how to make hearts whole. You never lived for worldly fame. You called us all to Allah's name. You taught us love, you taught us peace. You showed the way to true relief. For every child you showed your care. For every poor heart you were there. For every person lost in pain, you gave them hope to rise again. Your words still live within our hearts. Your blessed sunnah gives us a start. And when this world becomes too loud, your way makes every heart feel proud. If tears fall down when I say your name, let them fall with love, not shame. If my heart breaks with longing for you, let that longing make my faith grow too. Oh Allah, send your peace and grace upon Muhammad, so the best of the human race. Bless his family and companions too, and let our hearts remain ever true. I promise to follow your noble way, not only today, but every day. I will try to speak with gentle words and live by the teachings I have heard. I will forgive when someone hurts. I will help the one who needs. I will remember the poor and weak, and choose the truth each time I speak. I will keep your sunnah in my heart, and when I fall, I will make a start. For I know the road may not be easy, but your blessed example makes it worthy.